KHPP50 Introduction. Product features: small size, light, compact structure. The pump head adopts a snap-on structure, easy to replace pump tubing. Maintenance is also simple. Birx silicone tubing. There is a fine gear reducer inside the pump, make the product run more stable and the flow more accurate. Product parameters. In addition, we have two installation methods of L plate and straight plate to choose from. The pump head is made of polyoxymethylene material. The pump tube can be equipped with imported PPT tube or P062 by D2mm. At present, our product is equipped with a DC brush motor as standard. The main function. Application scenarios. Product test.